Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to track task dependencies and critical paths on ASANA timeline. It's a game changer for project management, so let's get started. The first step is to create your tasks. Now that we've done that, click on the task and select the option Add Dependency. This helps us because it allows ASANA to understand which tasks rely on others to be completed first. It's a great way to ensure tasks are done in the correct order. Next up, link your tasks together. Click on a task, select Add Dependency again, and then choose the task it depends on. The reason we do this is to visually represent which tasks are linked together. With this, you'll see arrows connecting dependent tasks, making it easy to understand the flow of your project. Now let's move on to tracking the critical path. In the timeline view, click on Project Actions, then select Show Critical Path. This is important because it highlights the tasks that directly impact your project's finish date. Essentially, if these tasks are delayed, your whole project will be too. Let me explain why this matters. If you're managing a complex project with multiple tasks and dependencies, tracking your critical path helps you prioritize your efforts and time effectively. It's like having a roadmap to project completion. Finally, keep an eye on the timeline. Regularly reviewing the timeline will help you identify any potential bottlenecks or delays. This helps us because it gives us a chance to make adjustments and keep the project on track. And there we have it, a quick, effective method to track task dependencies and critical paths on ASANA timeline. Remember, it's all about understanding the order of tasks and prioritizing effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy project managing.